It's always fun sitting in front of PC, browsing through the internet and chilling around. Sometimes we pretend to work and then actually work. But do you know what catches my nerves?
Loadings, saying turn off boring loaders, and of course you don't want that for your website, and I am here to make sure that doesn't happen with you. By the way, I am Asad Sheikh from Iqonic Design, and let's get started with this video. Firstly, to change loaders, I will take you to the La La land of loaders, that is loading.io, and you can get the free loaders and customize them there. So in this website loading.io, we have some customizing options which are like size. You can change the size of your loader. There is a speed. You can maintain the speed of the loader as you like. There is dash length. You can just change the animation of the loader whichever suits your website. We have stroke width. You can just convert the loader to thin or thick. We have scale. You can maintain the size of your loader. We also have stroke color. You can change the color according to your website. And once you are satisfied, just download the GIF format. Don't copy my setting. You can change according to your website. Just play around. So copy and replace the loader and paste it here. Now drag the loader and take it in VS Code in images and replace it. You can see our new loader in VS Code. Now let's restart our development and type npm run watch in your terminal. This will take some time. Meanwhile, you can just comment on our video how you are liking this series, and if you have any doubt, you can just ask us and we will help you very much. And your project will be rerun in your image file and asset will be reset. After some waiting, finally our loader has been downloaded, but it has some different background. So for that, we will just go to the site and change the background color. We are keeping this light color of the same version, and this is looking very nice. So just copy that color, download the GIF and again replace it with the existing loader. Now go to custom variable.scss, search the body, and using that you will find which are the body colors. For searching body B, we got body BG. Here we will replace the color. Just that. As we did earlier, drag your loader to the image and just replace it. Now we have to rerun again, else I will go to the development folder and I will paste the loader here, deleting the previous loader, and we will rename the loader again. So doing this, our loader will be directly replaced without changing anything. And now load the web and you can see the loader has been changed and it looks perfect. That's all for this video. Just remember, don't put too much load on your brain while loading a loader in your loading website. Thank God I got it right. And hope you guys a big box of quantity and quality. That's for free and to ease out our work. So let's just stay connected. I will be back with another video. Just like this video if you like my face. Comment down any thoughts you have and subscribe.